Hello, I'm Jakob, the founder of Gorilla Funds, and together with 31/3, we are building Valuya. Since over a decade now, we have protocols for value transfer, and value can now be represented as token. And we have a lot of them. But to be honest, many of them are not very useful. But last year, something interesting happened. We saw a sharp uptick in issuances of digital currencies compliant with the electronic security law. And we will see a lot of them, I guess. But this time, it will be digital company shares and bonds. So there's a need for software that enables the creation of financial products from this, so that you as an asset manager just can pick your digital assets and put them into a portfolio. This software needs to serve two main goals. On the one hand, it needs to be as easy as possible to get the money into your product. And we need to meet the users where they are. And they are using banking transfers. So nothing more needs to be required. And we achieved that. And on the other hand, a little bit more difficult is we need to meet all regulatory requirements to issue financial products. Valuya is an end-to-end solution to create financial products, manage them, and allow users invest into them. So you as an asset manager can just use our white label software to create an investment platform that has digital assets as underlyings, that are mobile friendly and allow you to create everything from your app. Or you just plug into our Valuya cloud, because we have an API first approach so that an asset manager can has the most flexibility. We are using cutting edge technology. Everything is based on Enzyme Finance. Enzyme Finance is the most sophisticated asset management protocol out there. We integrated Monerium. Monerium is the first licensed e-money provider that brings the cash on-chain. This cash is directly converted into the assets in the fund. With 31/3, we have a tool to rebalance these portfolios automatically. And this leads to settlement times of around 10 minutes. This means money from the investor comes in, and within 10 minutes, everything is settled into the assets of this fund, for example. We support a growing asset universe, so crypto values, stablecoins, DeFi lending, and crypto securities. We integrated CashLink, the market leader for issuing digital securities, to have also crypto securities into your portfolio. And automation comes out of the box, because Enzyme Finance has everything built in so that you can add a bot to your strategy or use an AI engine to rebalance your portfolio. But why should you switch to such a solution? This is pretty simple, because it's just cheaper. We can automate nearly everything, because all data are on-chain. The trades happen on-chain, the assets are on-chain, and this allows us to automate reporting, the tax reports, bookkeeping, and all the stuff. Traction. 31/3 generated over 40 million in trading volume in the last 6 months and is now integrated by default into Enzyme Finance. We just recently developed a proof of concept with one of the Germany's largest TradFi asset managers to prove that this is the future of asset management. Where we are heading to, this is pretty clear. We want to become the Shopify for on-chain asset managers in the tokenization era. Why? Because it's possible and it's the future. For that, we joined forces with 31/3, and our goal, our mission, is to bring digital value to the investors out there. Thank you very much. If you want to reach out to us, just get in contact to us. Thank you.